Hello class 3, I hope you are all doing great. So please open your class books and move to Unit 15, Lesson 5, Reading Skill. Okay, here we have these words. Previously we learned about these words. There are future time expressions. So let me remind you them. Tomorrow, later, tonight, this afternoon, soon, next week. Okay, أمانة future time expression كبكار منان لقل future sentence sakana واني بشو باسي چی مانكر be going to. Do you remember? أتواني لقل أو form future شبكاري بيني. For example, I'm going to study tomorrow. Okay, she is going to make a cake later. We are going to go to the party tonight. For example, he is going to ride his bike this afternoon. We will or we are going to write down a letter soon. Okay, or we are going to travel to Canada next week, for example. Okay, لقل form future وليشا هربا كاره هندري قولي من يعني لقل be going to لقل future وليشا لبري معنى علين شي future time expressions لقل هردو جوري ياخذ هردو form future كبا كاره هندري. And then if you come down here, we have this text. Let me read it for you. Hi, Ellie. How are you? Are you having a nice holiday? I'm having a great time in Spain. It is great weather here. It's very hot and sunny. My family and I go to the beach every day. The beach is a lot of fun because you can do lots of water sports here. I'm going to water ski this afternoon, and my brother is going to windsurf. The food here is great. We are going to eat in a seafood restaurant tonight. I love seafood. Seafood ما بس يخواني درياية يقولي من باشا. I want to try octopus. Octopus أو animal سيك لا نوع أواجبك لا جوري seafood كان هجمارة كره. In Kurdish, what does mean octopus? Hashbe? Something like that. Yeah. The food here is great. We are going to eat in a seafood. Let me read this part again. Seafood restaurant tonight. I love seafood. I want to try octopus. We are going to visit museum tomorrow morning. It's about the history of Spain. Okay. Museum. Wata. Then later we are going to go shopping in the town to buy some presents. I want to get you a present from Spain. We are going to fly home next week. I want to show you all my photos. See you soon. Best wishes, Lisa. So, dear student, what should you do with this text? توشيك لقى text ده قولي من هلا ترى بنا ياخد قلمي بجافة ب anything that you have چیم بو underline كي future time expression كان واتأم وشاني سارة وباشا قولي من لكو عبينت highlight و underline كان جا سيري بيش أو بيش خوي كبزانا sentence كان لا future ولا future عنيا باشا قولي من لراتي معنا we are going to eat in seafood restaurant tonight. So tonight is a time future time expression and we have be going to. We are going to. قولي من يكشت بيرم كوتو. بو هناك تانك exercise كانت عن كردوا كأوردري هنا كانت عن كردوا وشا كانت عن كردوا to make a correct sentence. خوي لسرو بيت الله be going to بكار بينا. إيه نشون إذا أو ما كان لك subjective pronoun كان بكار بينا. أي شون أنا بتواني be going future sentence دروس كين. قل أنا نتواني verb to be كبكار بينا. إلا نوت كمان بيانوتن أبي verb to be هر بكار بيني. Not when you kick out DK. So please, okay, try to use it. Then we have this exercise, so let's do it. Read again and write T true or F false. Lisa is in Australia. False. Okay. Lisa is going to water ski this afternoon. I'm going to ask. Yeah, it's true. Number 2 is true. Lisa's family are going to eat seafood tonight. Yes, it's true. Lisa doesn't like seafood. No, I think she said I like seafood. Okay, so this is false. Lisa is going to buy Ellie a present. Yes, she said that. It's true. Lisa is going to fly home tomorrow. Fly home next week. So this sentence is false. Okay, so that's about this subject. So my lovely students, on the next page we have writing preparation. Here we have this text, so let me read it, then I'll explain for you. We use these phrases to start and end an email or letter. قولي من هلا اما ام فريزانه بكارهنين باشا ياخذ ام چند دستواجی بکارهنین بو اوی که ما بتوانین لکاتی نوسین ایمیل لکاست چون دست پی بکین بو چون کوتای بو ایمیل ما بینین یاخذ بو نامه که بمانه بو کسی کی بنرین. Okay, an email or letter. Letter means نامه نردن. ياخذ text نوسين message نردن something like that. بمشي بدست بيكي. You have to use these phrases. Dear بقولنا dear Sarah, dear Tara, dear Tom something. أو كسي كتو نامه كي ببنير ياخذ إيميل كي بنير dear أو كسا. Hi. Okay, you can use hi with his or her names. لقل نبي أو كساني كأتابع بنير ياخذ أو كسي كأتابع بنيري. How are you? Okay, you have to ask him, how are you? Thanks for your email. Okay, بونمنا أو بيشتر إيميل لكي بوتو ناردوا تولد سرطاك دست بيكي سپاس يكيد ياخو سپاس گزاري بويك أو إيميل بوتو ناردوا بمشي بدست بيكي. You have to use these phrases. أجب قرنا بو text تكا. Let's go back to the text. You see it's written hi Ellie. بمشي بيكي بوت معناتواني hi لقل نايب أو كسبا كاربني كتو text تكي بونيري ياخد إيميلك ياخد نامك. How can you end your email or your letter? چون كوتاي بيهني. Write soon. Okay. See you soon. Write soon واتا چونالي تكاز والله دور أخذ بوم بنوسروا. See you soon أدبين ماما. Bye for now. ما الأول استاها. Take care. أقعد لخود به. Okay. Best wishes. هواي باشيد بخوازم ياخد هوام باشيتا. بمشي وي كوتاي با. إيميل لك تاخد لا تركني أهني. بقرنه بالتكست You see, best wishes, Lisa. Then you have to write down your name at the end. ناي خوتا نوسي لكوتايا. So check that your email or letter has clear paragraphs and correct punctuations or punctuation before you send it. بس تيجي أقول من check your email or letter has clear paragraphs. ألب لدواي همو أمانة كتاعد كل إيميل كده أبد تو تشيكي كيتوز جاري كتير بيدا بتشتو بزاني همو paragraph كان براستي نسيوا همو ما بتكان لشوني خوان نسيوا هيج شتيك كويسو تبينو سينات برانوا. And correct punctuation before you send it. وبهمان شيء punctuation كان راستا كيتا وما بس punctuation ماركوينا كان بون مناكي بيسبت question mark يانكم ما اشتيك داني. بيجوي إيميل كده ياخد نامك بنيري. Okay, so now we have this exercise. Write S for comments at the start or E for comments at the end. Ale بو فرزاني كلا سرتا بكاريني بو start أبن S بنوسا أوانيش لكوتاي بكاريني E بنوسا واتلا وشيء end over كده. Write soon. Okay, in the end you have to write down this phrase. Dear Amy, so it's S, bas manker. Thanks for your email, also it's S. How are you? It's S. Okay. Hi Bin, it's S. Okay. Take care, it's N. Okay. So, write soon. You have to write down this phrase at the end. Dear Amy. Okay, during starting your writing your email or your letter, you have to write down this phrase, dear Amy, for example, dear Tom, as I told you. Thanks for your email. Also during starting. How are you? There's S. Hi Bin. There's S. Take care. You have to write down this phrase when you finish or when you end your letter or your email. Okay, so that's all about this subject. So after that, class 3, please try to open your workbooks and move to page 112. We have these exercises and they're about lesson 5 writing skill. You have to do all of these exercises. Okay, so it means this page it will be homework for you, and the next page as well, which is page 113. Okay, it was about writing. You have to do these exercises as well. Okay, so that's about your homeworks. So dear students, have a nice time and bye bye.